Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this video, we will study the concept of how to input a list in Python using for loop. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open your command prompt and activate your Python interactive shell. I hope you all are in command prompt. Here I am declaring one variable n. Enter the number of elements. I am typing here. We will receive the input with the help of this input method, and with the help of this input method we are passing the string. Enter the number of elements. Here we are doing typecasting with the help of this integer command, as we have already studied in our previous presentation why we need a typecasting and how to do a typecasting in Python. So let's continue. When I hit enter, we are getting this prompt, enter the number of elements. Let's type here 3. It means we want to enter 3 elements with this variable n. It must point to value 4. N must point to value 4. Now I hit enter. You will see this prompt on the screen. This indicates that everything is working properly, and for sure n is now pointing to value 3. It is pointing to integer value, not character, because we have done typecasting here. Now let's create an empty list. I am creating here empty list. Now we want to receive item in this list. So that is why we are creating empty list. We have already received the number of elements from the user, that is enter the number of elements. Now we will use this value to receive input in this list. For this we need a loop called for loop, which allow us to repeat a certain piece of code multiple times. As we want to store 3 elements in this list, we will run our for loop 3 times. Let's see how. Here I am typing syntax of for loop for I in range After typing this command for I in range n, we need to put colon here. This is very important. Range n means it will go from 0 to n minus 1. If I am typing here n equal to 3, it means it will go 0, 1 and 2. Now when I hit enter, we will see these 3 dots on your screen, which means we are in continuation of for loop. Now I am typing here x equal to int input. We want to receive 3 different input, so that is why we needed this command. Okay. Now after receiving input, we must store this input with these inputs inside this number variable. Then for this we need a special method which allow us to add item in this list. With the help of append method, we can add item at the end of the list. Suppose I am entering value 75. Now 75 is stored in this variable x. In next step, I want to add this 75 in this empty list. So that is why we need a append command. Now I am typing append command here. I type variable name number dot append for variable x. It at the end of the list. Now we want to repeat this code 3 times. I hope this idea is clear to you. Now I have to press enter 2 times because we want to get outside for loop. Now we are entering here value 45, 56, 65. Now I press enter. Now you will see this prompt on your screen. Let's now check whether these values received by this list or not. For this I have to type here variable name number and press enter. When I hit enter, you will see these value in your list. Okay, I hope this idea is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in my comment box. I will make this video again for your better understanding. Here we have studied about input a list in Python using for loop. We have studied about the concept of for loop. We have seen the syntax of for loop, how to input a list using for loop. So guys, thanks for watching this presentation. I will see you next one.